So what we're going to review today are the editable Power BI reports. So previously you were able to edit Power BI reports. The new change is that you can save those reports and they go into a user-defined bucket so that your whole organization can actually use that report or edit that one later, just anything you want to do. So that gives you an option to save and not have to do all the edits again every time you go into that report. We're going to demo here is the editable Power BI reports. So this is for the Power users who know how to use Power BI, who are interested. Even if you don't know how to use Power BI, you can go in and kind of play around with some of the settings and see what kind of report you can build. So basically, we're going to start here from the Unity plots report. And I'm just going to do a little demo on how you could use this feature if you wanted to. So once you get into your Power BI report, you can hit the edit button. So what this does, it opens up all the Power BI utilities and tools for you on the right-hand side. And you can do lots of stuff. You can add new reports, you can edit the existing reports. So for the first task here, we're going to click on this visual here. I'm just going to do some small edits. So we see lots of points here. One thing we could do is, let's say you want to know, you want a legend and you want to group this up by vendor. So let's grab the vendor name field and you can drag it right into the legend. And what that does is it gives you a legend at the top and it color codes all the points based on which vendor it is. So you can, you can grab whatever field that you care about and put it there. So those types of edits you can do. Another thing you can do, you can add a whole nother page to this report, clicking the plus button. You can grab one of these reports here, one of these graphs. And for instance, let's say we want to look at each vendor. So we're going to grab vendor name here. And then let's say, let's find one here. Let's do average bias. Where did that one go? Here it is. For each vendor. So then you get the report as you've built it. So this is our demo environment, not as much vendor data here that would be in your environment. So your reports will look a lot better than this. This is just a example of just something you can do. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to save this. So I'm going to say save as under the file menu. We're going to save it as updated Unity plots. Save that. All right. So now you go back into Sim and you're going to have a new user-defined section here. And let's go ahead and refresh that. And the updated Unity plots is now there, available for me to look at, available for anyone in the company to look at. You can also favorite it. You can also open it and edit it again if there's something else you want to change.